So some very sad news was released a few days ago, all based around Fireball, a ride located at Pleasurewood theme park in Lowestoft. Now this ride is up for sale on a website called Used Amusement Rides, so without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now Fireball is a KMG Afterburner which opened at Pleasurewood Hills in 2004. Now it's devastating to see the ride listed for sale, and a bit later on in the video I'm going to speculate future rides or roller coasters that could take over the area. A few weeks ago I made a video talking about the removal of rides at Lightwater Valley theme park. Go and check it out if you haven't. So basically Lightwater Valley are removing lots of their main thrill rides, so could this be the way that Pleasurewood Hills are going, and are they moving into the family market by adding new family rides rather than big thrill rides? Or are they planning to add another thrill ride or roller coaster? Well, we really don't know at this stage. Now I do think this is a great way for Lightwater Valley to go, as this ride is more or less a travelling ride as it does sit on 2 trailers. I think Lightwater Valley are wanted to move away from these sort of travelling fair sort of rides and put in quality static rides rather than a load of travelling fair rides. This leads us to the next question: what could replace it? Now many people have been saying on Pleasurewood Maniacs, an unofficial Pleasurewood theme park fan page, that they would like to see Lightwater Valley's KMG Afterburner Eagle's Claw, which has been announced by Lightwater Valley that ride is going to be removed. So could this mean that Pleasurewood Hills could potentially purchase Eagle's Claw? Personally I think it's very unlikely, as this ride is pretty similar, as they're both a KMG Afterburners. However, Lightwater Valley's version is a more permanent ride rather than a travelling ride like Pleasurewood Hills' version. I just think a general member of the public is not really going to notice the difference, and if they were going to purchase Eagle's Claw, I think they might as well keep the version that they have, that being Fireball. However, purchasing a more permanent model might be better in the long term with maintenance and other factors. Alongside that, people on this forum have also been saying that they would like to see Black Pearl installed at Pleasurewood Hills. This of course being an inverting pirate ship formerly at Lightwater Valley, but has been announced that Black Pearl will be removed from Lightwater Valley theme park. However, I don't think this would be a great move if Pleasurewood Hills, if they were to install Black Pearl, as they've already had the same sort of ride, that being the Tempest, which closed in 1994. Now obviously this was ages ago, but I still don't think that it's very likely for them to purchase it. However, if I had to say which one was more likely to be relocated to Pleasurewood Hills out of Black Pearl and Eagle's Claw, I'd probably say Black Pearl, just because I don't see the point of removing a ride and putting the same type of ride in with a few changes, but that's just my opinion. By the way, links will be in the description to Pleasurewood Maniacs Facebook page below to check out these predictions on their page. Now this is what I think would be a good ride in place of Fireball, and please remember this is only me speculating. So Pleasurewood Hills is owned by the Looping Group, which also owns Drayton Manor, a theme park located in Staffordshire. In 2018, G-Force closed at Drayton Manor and has been recently taken down and put in storage. So in my opinion, I think that G-Force is quite a likely ride to be relocated to Pleasurewood Hills, as they are owned by the same group, and I think this would be a great permanent ride for Pleasurewood Hills. However, this all depends on getting the parts for the ride, as this is part of the reason it closed at Drayton Manor, and of course the cost to relocate this roller coaster. However, G-Force would be the perfect coaster for the park, as it's more or less a family coaster and was actually one of my first looping roller coasters. Anyway, it'd be a big draw to the park. Now all of these future ride predictions are just rumours and me speculating, but one thing we do know for sure is that Fireball is up for sale on Used Amusement Rides. So yes, thanks for watching Theme Park Enthusiast. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing, as we make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. If there are any updates, I'll be sure to notify you here on the YouTube channel. And with all that said and done, thanks for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.